1967 Chevrolet Camaro RS in top shelf quality, frame off, rotisserie, custom restoration on this beautiful Camaro. If you are very, very picky, this is the car for you. And let me show you why. Check out this engine compartment that blows my mind. Every nut and bolt has been turned on this car. As you can see, it is an RS, okay? Yes, the headlight doors do function. They are set up electric. As you can see, 327 Wilwood upgraded disc brakes. Just every nut and bolt on this thing is simply beautiful. Check out that Stinger hood. All I can say on this car is wow, wow, wow. I am definitely a very picky person when it comes to my personal collection of cars, and this one does check off all the boxes for me when it comes to quality. Now, underneath this car is painted beautifully as well. And I will show you that, okay? Beautiful black top. It is manual, very easy for one person to open and close. Look at this pristine black interior. Anybody that looks at this car, all they're going to say is, wow, okay? Because that's what this car is. This is a wow factory. Very big curb appeal. Let's check out underneath this thing really quick. Look at underneath. Oh my God. Wow. Another wow factor, the reflection all the way down. Body is perfectly straight. The trunk is all custom done. You guys got to check that out on my photos. Door lips, factory welds. I mean, top shelf interior. All seat belts are intact. You want to see something else really cool? All right, check this out. Isn't that super duper cool, man? Upgraded radio as well. Wow. I freaking love it. Just a perfect stance. If you need financing, it's not a problem. You will need, first off, good credit and 10% down. That's all that is needed. 10% down. We can also add your sales tax and your delivery costs, even your registration costs on the vehicle from your state, into the loan amount, okay? But all you would need would be 10% of the purchase price of the vehicle only, okay? We have great, great long-term financing that can get this payment right to fit your budget. So let us know about that. If you need delivery, call me, text me with your zip code. I'm going to give you my number and I'll repeat it. My number is 847-848-1850. Again, my name is Thomas. You can text me any questions or your zip code for a delivery quote. This has to go enclosed, right? Look at the quality. It's a 10. All right. Again, my number, 847-848-1850. My name is Thomas, and this is my my collection of cars here at MGM Classic Cars.com. Everyone, thanks for watching. If there's something that your friend, cousin, relative is looking for, brother, sister, father, mother, I think I have it. I own over 180 of these cars. Check out my website, mgmclassiccars.com. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.